Hey everyone, I'm going thrifting today and I'm going to show you what I got. All right, not much at this first store here. I spent $8 on these 6 DVDs, including my donation in there. The 2 AC/DC ones I'll lot up and sell them for $20. The Eagles one I sell all the time. That one should go for $15. The Metallica should go for $15. Actually, Motley Crue and Bon Jovi, I'll probably price them around $13 to $15 as well. So not too bad. Just some small bread and butter items that should move pretty quickly for me for where I'm going to price them and just, you know, make some money on there. All right, now at that last store, I passed up on 2 DVD VCR combo units. They were, I think, about $7 a piece, maybe $9 a piece, but it was the Go Video ones, and I checked up the comps on there, and the most they're going for without remotes were probably in the 70 range, maybe 80 range if it could get there, but the sell-through rate wasn't there. It was like a 2-to-1 listed versus being sold, so I know I wasn't gonna be able to get that high end pretty quickly. It's probably gonna be something I would sit on for, I don't know, like 3 or 4 months to get the price that I would really want. And really for me, combo units, if I'm shipping them, they're gonna be about 20 to 25 to ship it, and just really not worth it sitting on that long. I'm really aiming more for the $100 range or more when it comes to combo units right now, focused on Sony, or ideally I'm finding DVD recorders, but those are harder to find, and those are definitely over the $100 threshold when you find them. All right, quick hitter for my last store. I spent $11, $2 on Insanity. That'll go on Mercari for about $25. Work and Glory Trilogy DVD set. This will go for about $20. Harry Potter for Xbox, I'll go for $30. The find that I had was, the best one was the Sony Walkman Discman. That will go for probably about $50. I spent $4 on that one. All right, store 3, I spent $17 total. I got this Xbox 360 controller. That's going to be for a bundle. I found this TI BA2 Plus Professional. This one, I actually threw this in because I needed to get to my discount. So basically it was a free item because I was able to use my 20% off of my order. And this will go for about $25. NCAA 08 basketball, they'll go for about $15 to $20 on the 360. Just Dance 2016 Wii U, that'll go for about $15 to $20 as well. I found this A&E Year in Provence DVD set. I've never heard of this one, but this one will go for about $25. And then I found a 3-week yoga retreat, sealed Beachbody. This will go on Mercari. I sold one before on eBay, like probably a month ago, and it went for like 35 or 40. So I'm not sure what I'm going to set this at. Maybe at 50 and see what happens on Mercari. If I get 40, I'll be happy with it. All right, one thing that I did at that last store was I was below my discount threshold of $20. Once I hit $20 at the Goodwills here in Arizona, you're able to use a coupon to take 20% off your order. I was at, I believe, $18 at that point, and so anytime I'm there, I always look to see if there's something that I am able to sell within my thresholds to get myself over that, because that will most likely be a free item for me to sell at that point. So I would recommend you always knowing what your discount structures are at your store, especially if you guys have coupons. I get so much free product. A lot of times I'll be going in, the 4th or 5th product that I'm buying will basically be free because I will pay for it, but the discount will bring me back down to where I was without that item. So by doing that, I'm getting free inventory, and I'm able to then take those sales from that free inventory, add it to new inventory, and just keep this cycle of churning money over money over money. So always make sure you're keeping an eye out on those coupons and what those triggers are for you, and take advantage of those. All right, I spent about 24 bucks, almost 25 bucks at this store. Some great finds, about 4 things. George Lopez season 1 and 2. This will go for about $20 shipped. I got an Apple, and this is an Airport Extreme, not the time capsule. If you find the time capsules, those will go for around, a lot of times I usually get like 120, 130 for those. This I should get about 70 to 80 for it. I got an Xbox 360 pack. It just had the cords. I asked the guy, did he have a console in the back? He said no. But it has a power cord, which I need for bundles. It has a Connect, and it has the it has the AV cables as well. So all great stuff for me. I'll sell the Connect. I'll bundle that with some games I usually get for $1, and that will go for about 40 bucks. I'll use the power cord for the recent one that I just got a few days ago for the 250 gigabyte unit. And then the controller I just got, I'll bundle those all together. And I got a system that'll go for probably about 120 bucks right there. So always look out for those components. I also got this Wii bundle. It has 2 controllers in there. Is the main reason I got it. It was $9 plus 20% off. I got the black Wii motion control and then the pink Wii motion control. It does have the back to the pink one here. I don't know if it has the black back one in here, but I got extras of those at home, so I'm not too worried about that. And it's got a power cord and the AV cable, which is great for bundling as well. So great items there. I always look for these because I know how to sell them. And if you want to know how to sell them too, check out my Wii selling video that I have out there. I'll throw a link up here as well for you. Make sure you watch that after this video if you want to learn how to sell Wii items. Only one item for this last store, spent $1.29. This Barnaby Jones Season 1 set is sealed and should go for about $20 shipped. All right, I got 3 of these GE window door sensors, $3.49 each. I'm gonna lot them all up together to sell to someone, and I think I could get about 50 to 60 bucks for it. I just had my most insane DVD media purchase in a long time. I spent like $53 on Blu-rays, movies, DVDs, CDs, just insane stuff. Insane. So much gold. I'm not going to show you right now. I'm going to show you at the end because I need to take these all at home. I bought like, I don't know, 25 or 30 items. So you're going to want to stay to the end and see what that score is. All right, spent $5 at the last store. I got P90X. It's complete. That'll go on Mercari for probably about 25 to 30. This Pimsleur Russian set, it's sealed. That will go, I don't know, on eBay went for 20 bucks used. So I'll probably aim at like 40 or 50 and put best offer on there. And then this Selena DVD. There's only one listed new for I think 30, but 5 have sold. And this one's used, so I'll probably put like 25 just because it should sell pretty quickly for me. Now I'm going to head back home and I'm going to show you guys the insane DVD score, media score that I got. All right, I'm back home. These are all the items I found from that crazy score. I did a quick tally on it and it turned out to be $665. I'm going to take you guys through the bolos here. I think I spent like $55 on all of these. Insane amount of inventory from one store. That's usually just how it happens. You know, you run into collections that people are turning in and you do really well on it. So these 3 here will do really well for me. I got them for 99 cents. Tommy the Who will go for $40. That's a DVD set. These 2 are like 5.1 CDs, I guess. And Moody Blues will go for 25 and Clapton will go for 30. Farscape here, this is season 1 sealed. There are no other ones listed sealed, so I'm gonna go for 25. I probably could even go higher than that. A White Festival, that will go for about 20. Return of the King, this one's not sealed. I actually go into a set, but if I was gonna sell this separately, I'd go for 15 on it. These I put in a set, and if you put all 3 in a set, I usually get $45 on it. And for all of these, if you see prices on there, take 20% off because that's what I paid. Matrix set right here, that will go for 25. Top Gear, that will go for 30. Silverado, this one's a crazy bolo. This one is one of those books. This one goes for $50. Let's see, Les Mis will go, that's a Blu-ray 25th anniversary, they'll go for $15. Pride and Prejudice, that will go for about $15 as well. This Gettysburg one's director's cut, it's one of those like double disc ones, that will go for $25. Dust Bowl Seal, that will go for $20. Hendrix will probably go $15, but I think I'll probably keep that. Who Blu-ray at the Kilbourne, that will go for $30. Metropolis Blu-ray, that will go for $20. Back to Earth Blu-ray, that will go for, or actually this is Red Dwarf Back to Earth, that will go for about $20. Let's look at this other stack here. Got the Who Live at Leeds CD, that will go for $30. Another Les Mis, that will go for about $25. This Ed Sullivan set, I don't see any other ones listed new, so I'm going to put this one between $40 and $50. 40 on the low end, 50 if I'm feeling cheeky. These two sets are sealed, right? I would normally put it with the Return of the King one that I had there, but these are sealed, so I'm going to sell them individually. Fellowship should go for about $40 from the comps that I saw recently. Two Towers should go for $30 to $40. I think $30 was kind of around where they're going for, but I think I'll try to squeak $40 out because that is the comp for the series. Now here I'm going to throw this lot up here. It's a Red Greens series. I'm not sure if you guys have seen these guys on PBS before. That's where I had seen them in the past. The Bolo item out of here is this duct tape movie from them. And this one goes for about $25 to $30 just by itself. I'm going to lot them up with these other three that I found. These don't go for very much. These go for maybe like $8, $10 each. But I'm going to lot them all up and aim for $50 for the four of them. And then I got the Pacific. This one is sealed as well, so that's 20% off, $5.29, and that will go for about $30 as well. So as you can see, I did a quick tally on all of them, and it came up to $665, and that's low numbers. All these numbers were kind of, just like where the market was showing it when I was on there. I could probably go for higher for some of these because they're rarer and hold out, but I think if I went with market price, I could get this $665 pretty easy on there. So those are all my finds for this Saturday. That last store I spent about $55 and found over $600, almost $700 worth of inventory. Just goes to show you how much one store will really save your day. So always keep checking. It's always about fighting the odds and putting the odds in your favor. So thank you guys for joining me. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Also hit the thumbs up button for me and let me know what you guys found this weekend as well. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.